Nobody born a monster, remade. Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Nobody is born a monster, remade by a difficult world filled with nasty people. And you call me spiteful. Yes, I am. You know, I am. I don't wait for karma. I become that karma. I don't forgive people. No. I have to see them suffer, get hurt. Yes, get hurt, get broken, get crushed, and I will see always. I don't know if you believe me or not, but everyone I know knows that I don't forgive, nor do my energy. And my curses really take a toll. And they leave an impact on the lives of people who have done me wrong. It's clear that this calms me down and makes me so happy. Why not? They must pay the price. They must pay for the wounds and abuse they inflicted on me. You know, when they inflicted blows and wounds every time, the conspiracies and slanders and heartbreaks, and the fact that they wanted my destruction. They wanted to crush my pride and my character. God, they wanted to destroy me. They wanted to destroy me. Even, I'm surprised, even those I had helped many times. Why? So they must pay the price. Those sludges caused the moments and days that could have been, you know, the best moments, days, hours, opportunities, memories, to turn into the worst, darkest, and most bitter pits and days and darkest wells of depression. They closed and ruined my doors in every way. Money, slander, harassment, conspiracy, connections. I will never forgive. I will never let go. Hey you, if you played the slightest role in the troubles and events that have been caused for me. May God, energies, goddesses, gods, multiverse bring darkness and destruction to your life and that of your family forever. Yeah. So, never try to take someone else's place, because you cannot do that. Never. That's why I told you always, there is always one you. You cannot take someone else's place. Also, no one can take your place too. Okay? Focus on yourself, on your path, on your energy, on your desires, on your future, on your body. Okay? Amira, Rani. Bye.